everybody. We're still holding, guys. As you can see, guys, we entered here, and then the market came down here, and then it came up, man. But I didn't do anything, you understand? Because I believe in the bulletproof strategy, man. Look here, while we are smashing the TP, and man, look at the spread over here, man. But man, it is what it is, man. These are, I think, there are 2 entries, 1 and 4. So we are waiting for all of them to close, man. I mean, I only entered 3 trades, man. And then the first one, the market I showed to you, the gold one, as I was right over here, that the market was going to go up here, but, you know, it destroyed me over here, and then it went up. So right now, exactly, we have closed, man. We have closed. You see, they haven't yet closed. What happened? Oh, this one is, I only put stop loss only on the smaller trade. So this one is I have to close manually. Should I close it or should I let it run, guys? Should I close it or should I let it run? Because there were 2 entries. Let me go on history. This was the win, the closed entry, the TP hit, as you can see with the green over here. This one with the red, it means stop loss got hit. So right now, this is the trade. It was only, I put only 1 lot. So over here, should I close or I think I should close? I think I should get out. Let me check. According to the bulletproof strategy, the market is still gonna go down, but you know, if it happens like what happened here, to go up and come down, that will be huge risk. So let me just, you know, see. I'm done. Let me get out manually. Done. So we are only left with only 1 trade. This one. You see, we are just trying to recover from the gold loss, man. So gold, man, I respect you for only man, look. I didn't put my stop loss right, man. But I tried to do it right, man. But they just came and knocked me off here, man. Just take a look, man. We cannot say this is not a good entry. If you see a trader saying that, no, Mr. Mbada, let me try to show you where my entry is. Say that this is not a good buy. Man, this was good entry, man. It was not supposed to reach here. They were just looking. That's when you started thinking that they are just looking for my stops, man. But, I mean, it is what it is, man. But it happens, man. It happens. That's trading. So this one is gone from here to here, man. Look, when you're able to catch the high of the day, man. I've been preaching all these things, man. Just trade the bulletproof strategy from Mr. Mbada, man. Just trade the high of the day and the low of the day. Simple. This was the high of the day. So as you can see, this represents a day. These are dotted lines, another day. Here we are another day. So when the market reaches the low of that day here, I will also buy, man. But it is what it is, man. Let's go on ODSD. When I'm telling you guys, trade using the bulletproof strategy, when the market reaches the high of the day, you see, it comes here and then this is the highest point it could reach. I knew it, man. Because we are coming from the high of the week. Let me go on 4 hours, guys. So as you can see, this is the high of the week, man. So we know that, man. The rest of the week will be selling, man. Today is now Thursday. As you can see, Friday is supposed to sell. I don't know about Monday. We will be still looking at the market, man. So right now, the market came down here. I was supposed to close today in the morning, but I overslept. Because these are good pips. This is like 1:3, 1:4 risk-reward ratio. I could have been close to, you know, something else, but I didn't close. So right now, let me do this. So right now, we are just hoping for it to just pass this level a little bit. Because right now, there are other 2 things. Either it's to go back up, which is very, 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 very bad for us. You understand? If it happens like that, it's very, very, very... I'll also look at the news to see if the news is going to be on our favor or not. You understand? So what we are hoping is for it to come down a little bit, you know, so that we can capitalize, man. I'll show you when I'm closing, but I want it to come down here a little bit, somewhere here, or even a little bit lower. You understand? You want it a little bit lower, somewhere there. You understand? Or somewhere here, and then I think we would have been passing the challenge with only 3 trades. Out of 3, I was knocked out of gold. I was knocked out of gold here, but the 2 I destroyed them, as I was showing you guys. And I still remember I was even explaining that, when you see other traders when they're trading, they'll be like, when I was drawing this line, they were like to come here and then it broke here, then to come here and retest and come down. I was like, nah. You know, understand? That's, what's there. That's the free stuff you find on YouTube. It doesn't work. I'm telling you, as Mr. Mbada, they don't work. That's why you see, 99% of traders don't make money. Because the 1% they know the bulletproof strategy, man. It is what it is, man. Hello everybody, I think right now we are in right now. I paused the video when I was looking at it. It was going against me, so I wanted to see if it's gonna break the high, yesterday's high. It didn't break, man. So man, you see we're already on. Let me close. So me, I love closing on the phone. So I put both. I will try to put the screens, both of the screens over here. So on the phone, we are going here on bulk operations, then close all positions. As you can see, the target was only 8%, I think, on African international funds. So right now, profit target reached plus surplus. So I only entered 3 signals. This is today. Let me just put it last week. I only traded 2 days. Those are my stops. 1 on gold. I think I've explained it to you. And those ones 2 on Australian dollar, USD. So those ones are, if you look here on my screen, on my arrows, you can see these were my sell signal. And then it tried to go against me, but I knew that I was able to catch the high of the day. You understand? So then I entered more entries over here. And then the market, it went in profit. Let me do this. The market went in profit. I get what I'm saying. But, I was sleeping. I couldn't close him. It happened and I didn't put TP. That's because especially when the market, especially when I'm trading the bulletproof strategy, I don't put TP because, man, when the market has reached the high of the day, to go down no matter what. So, I don't usually put TP because TP is limiting my gains, you understand? I'll be choking myself. So, right now, guys, the market, I think I've explained in the previous video, the market retraced. This was news, I think. There was news. Let me, so that you guys can, there was news over here or something like that. But even if news try to go against us, but if you are using the bulletproof strategy, guys, if you are using the bulletproof strategy, even no matter what, these are my trade history. I'm not trying to lie to you guys. So let me just remove them so that you guys, you can actually see it clearly. Where is it? Show trade history. Disabled. You understand? So the market is reached. This is the previous. This is yesterday's high. So this is like the high of today. So what happens is, if the market is gonna reverse, it will come and create some they call it a head and shoulder or whatever before it goes up. That's why I risked over here. I entered more than I should because I knew that I'm gonna pass the account, because no matter what, it's either it will come here and create another leg here and go up. I get what I'm saying? Or it will continue going down. But before that, I'm just catching these parts. Man, it's that simple. That simple, man. That simple, man. You don't have to trade anything. Just trade daily highs and daily lows, man. Use the bulletproof strategy, even though, man, another confirmation. Here, as you can see, it's Australian US dollar, Australian USD, Australian against USD over here. Look at the currency pair here. The same here. See, man. We are in a sale. The market is reached over here, as you can see. This is the high of the week. You understand? The market is going down. So, man, we're in red, man. So, everything I see is a sale, man. So, guys, when I'm telling you that, guys, man, if you want to make money, especially in prop firming, in this prop firm industry, whatever, use the right information, even the confidence that you be having, guys. You be having. I I've done this with only 3 signals, which I sent yesterday. You can still check the date and time, which I sent yesterday. Only those ones, only 3 signals, of which the gold one is not like I was wrong or something. I think I have been explaining that a lot. The gold one, I wasn't wrong. This was the gold one. I put a buy here, and then the market just came and did what it does, what it usually does, and then because this was the low of the day. Look over here. When the market reaches, guys, this is the previous low. So let me just explain the same thing which I was explaining to you very quick. Man, we predict these things, man, daily, man. That's what we do. You understand? Let's say I identify this as the low of the day, right? So the market, it will never pass through the low of the day, but that's the low of the day, right? So over here, as you can see, the market has reached the previous low. Before it continues going down here to break this low, it has to come up. You understand? And then do whatever it does, and then even if the market reaches the previous high or previous low, you go against it hard. And so me, I didn't want to risk with gold, but I knew that if I enter here, I'll be buying hard. But that's guys, I think I'm sharing too much. As you can see right now, it's still continuing going down. This was Euro CHF. I'm explaining too much, guys. I'm explaining too much. So may the grace of the Lord be with you all. It's Mr. Mbada. I'm signing out. So guys, I will be also what else? What did I want to say? So I'll be also sharing the phase 2. This is the phase 1 of African International Funds.